Hello there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle, where we post daily lessons, stories, and insights on the law of attraction and manifestation, and how you can use them as a skill to live out the life of your dreams. In today's video, you'll learn how to amplify your manifestation technique by harnessing the power of your intention. The law of attraction states that we attract what we focus on and what we believe to be true. So if you're looking to manifest something in your life, it's crucial to set a clear intention. What is an intention? An intention is an intense desire toward a specific outcome. It differs from a wish or hope. An intention is a deliberate and focused thought you hold in your mind with conviction. Think of it as your why versus your what. So how do you set your intention? Start by being clear on what it is that you want to manifest. If you want more money, your intention is likely to feel security and freedom. It's crucial to keep your intentions positive. So avoid setting an intention that would negatively impact yourself or others. A good example of your intent to manifest more money would be to help others, enable your family to feel secure, and relieve stress. A negative example would be to manifest more money to prove your worth. Writing down your intention is essential in the manifestation process because it helps to bring clarity and focus to your desires. When you write down your intention, you actively put your thoughts and desires into a tangible form. This not only makes it easier for you to recall and focus on your intention, but also helps reinforce your commitment to manifesting it. A written record of your intention also serves as a visual reminder of what you are working towards. Seeing your intention written down on paper can reignite your motivation and enthusiasm toward manifesting it. This can be especially helpful when you are feeling discouraged or unmotivated, as seeing your written intention can be a source of inspiration and encouragement. In addition, writing down your intention helps to make it more real in your mind. When you put pen to paper, you give your intention more power and energy, making it much more likely to come to fruition. After writing down your intention, get into a state of deep relaxation and focus on your intention. Then visualize it as a reality and feel the emotions as if it has already happened. Try it now. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already possessing what you wish to manifest. How are you dressed? What does your environment look like? How are you feeling emotionally? Visualization is a powerful tool in manifestation because it harnesses the power of the mind to bring your desires into reality. When you visualize, you create a mental image of what you want to manifest into your life. This helps to bring your desire to life in your mind, making it feel more real and attainable. Visualization also triggers the release of powerful brain chemicals and hormones, such as dopamine and endorphins, which are associated with positive emotions such as joy and excitement. This creates a positive and uplifting energy around your manifestation, which can attract positive outcomes and experiences into your life. In challenging moments, visualization helps to overcome limiting beliefs and negative self-talk. By visualizing your desire as if it has already happened, you are effectively reprogramming your mind to believe it is possible. This can help to dispel any doubts or fears that may be holding you back from manifesting your desire. Moreover, visualization can also help to increase your motivation and drive. When you see yourself already living your desired outcome in your mind, it can serve as a source of inspiration and drive to take action toward making it a reality. Repeat this process regularly and align your thoughts, words, and actions with your intention. If you're new to this process, it can seem frustrating when you do not see results. We're human, and that's a common feeling. If you ever feel like your manifestation is taking too long to come to fruition or that it's not working, here are a few tips to overcome these frustrations. First, trust the process. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and that your manifestation will happen at the right time. The law of attraction is always working, whether or not we're aware of it. Everything in our lives is here because we attracted it. Next, let go of the attachment. Allow the universe to bring the manifestation to you in the perfect way. It's not your job to figure out how everything will unfold. Simply trust that it will happen and be ready to receive. Finally, avoid negative self-talk and limiting beliefs. Be patient. Manifestation takes time and rushes. It only creates more stress and frustration. When you feel your vibrations getting low, speak positive words, surround yourself with joy, and reconnect with your intention. Now that you know how to harness your intention while manifesting, comment below what it is you'll be attracting into your life. We can't wait to see how your thoughts change your life. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.